Hello CIS scholars, how are you all? I hope you are doing well. Okay students, so now we are going to start with our new chapter number 4, that is living and non-living things. So there are many things which are present around us and we have to identify whether those things are living or non-living. So let us begin. Okay, so what is the big idea of the chapter? What are we going to learn in this chapter? Living and non-living things are present around us. Yes, so both living and non-living things are present around us. And now how can we identify whether the thing is living or non-living? So things to learn. Number 1, we are going to study about the features of living things. And number 2, we are going to study about features of non-living things. Yes. So what are features? Features are characteristics. Okay. To identify whether a given thing is living or non-living. Like you can see, 2 pictures are given. One of a fish and one of a chair. So, fish is living or non-living? So, you will say fish is living. Yes. And the next one is chair. So, the chair is living or non-living? So, you are going to say it is non-living. So, why are we telling fish a living thing and chair a non-living thing? Let us find out in the chapter. Okay, students. So, features of living things. What are the characteristics of a living thing? How can we identify the given thing is living or non-living? So let us see. Living things can breathe. Okay, living things can breathe. They can take in air and give out air. Okay. So first characteristics or feature is breathe. Living things can breathe. Second is move. They can go from one place to another. The next one is grow. Yes, we are growing. We were small kids and now we have grown up. And next one is eat food. Yes, we are living and we are eating food. Yes. Then the next feature is feel. Yes, we can feel if a given substance is hot or cold. Yes. And then respond to changes around them. If rain is there, the weather changes. If it is summer, we feel hot. If it is winter, we feel cold. So we respond to the change around us. Okay, so let us repeat. Which are the features of living things? Number 1, they breathe. Number 2, they move from one place to another. Number 3, they grow. Number 4, they eat food. Number 5, they feel. And number 6, they respond to the changes around them. They can also give birth to young ones. Yes. So, if a living thing is there, it will give birth to another living thing. Yes. Okay, now, the first property we are going to study is living things grow. Okay. So, can you see the picture? Yes. From the egg, the chickling has came out and it has converted into hen. Yes, so it has grown. Now the next picture is a baby is converted into a girl and has converted into a woman. Yes, so we are growing. Means living things can grow. Okay, all living things grow with time. A seed grows into a seedling and then into a plant. Yes, we all can grow a seed. Yes, in the garden near us we can grow a seed. That seed will convert into seedling and it is rainy season going on right now. So the seedling will also convert into a tree. Okay. Then a chick grows into a hen. Yes, in the picture we can see the chick is growing into a hen. And a kitten grows into a cat. Yes, and a baby girl grows into a young girl and finally becomes a woman. Or if it is a boy, it is converting into a young boy and finally becomes a man. Yes, so the first property that we have studied is living things grow. Yes, you all were small and now you have grown. Okay, now let us see another feature of living thing. Okay, so living things breathe. Yes, we are living thing. So we take in air and give out air. So you can see in the given picture, a human being breathes through their nose. Yes, we breathe through our nose. Yes. Then fish have gills to breathe in water. So like we are having nose, same ways fishes have gills. Yes. So through these gills, they will take in air. Okay. All living things need air to breathe. They have different organs for breathing. So all living things have different organ for breathing. Like we have nose, fish have gills. Yes. Human beings and most of the animals breathe through their nose. Yes, we are human beings. So we breathe with our nose. Plants breathe through small pores on their leaves. Okay, so now from where do plants breathe? So plants are having leaves and these leaves are having tiny pores which we cannot see with our eyes, that we have to see with a special instrument under a microscope. So leaves are having small pores through which they breathe. Okay, and then fishes breathe in water through small slits on their body called gills. Yes. So interesting it was that living things breathe using different organs. We are breathing through nose, human brain, and certain animals breathe through their nose. Plants breathe through their pores present on the leaves, and fishes, they breathe through their gills. Yes, very good. Now the next property is, yes, living things need food. Yes, we all need food. All living things need food to get energy, grow and stay healthy. Yes, we have studied that we need energy to play and work, and we have to grow and remain healthy. So we need food. Plants make their own food in the presence of air, water and sunlight. Okay, students. So from where do plants make their food? Plants make their food on their own. How they can make the food? In the leaves. Yes, with the help of air, water and sunlight. Okay, some animals eat only plant while some animals eat the flesh of other animals. Yes, we know carnivorous and herbivorous animals. So carnivorous animals eat other animals and herbivorous animal eat plant. Yes. Human beings eat food obtained from both plants and animals. Yes, so human beings eat both plants as well as animals. So this is interesting that we need food. Yes, and plants make their own food. Animals are dependent on plants and other animals for their food. Okay, now Next. Yes, it is a fun fact. So what is the fun fact? Let us see. There are more non-living things on the earth than living things. Yes, we are studying about living things and non-living things. So interesting is that there are more non-living things on this earth than living things. And humans share the planet with as many as 8.7 million different forms of life which are living things. So humans, how many humans are there on the earth? So 8.7 million. There are currently about 75 billion tons of living things, biomass, which is known as biomass, on earth. See, there are so many living things on the earth. Still, the number of non-living things is more than living things. So students, I hope you understood the fact and you learned something new. Yes, along with the fact, we have studied about the various features of living things. So what was the first feature? Yes, living things breathe. Yes. Then living things need food. And then living things grow. Yes. These are some of the properties which we have learned today. Next properties of living things and non-living things we will be doing in our next lecture. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.